Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I'm going to be doing a garage update. I came out here, I was going to do a carb cleaning on this. I think it's like a 79, 80, 78, 81. It's an old GT80. I was going to do like a carb cleaning and get her going. So, I decided instead of doing that, just do a garage update. So I'm gonna go over what's new and what's going on pretty much in the garage. So got some new tool organization. Got a little rolling cart for all my daily use tools. On the wall here, magnet strips, and I like to keep the tools accessible. I've heard old master mechanics say like tools go to drawers to die, and I've been pulling tools out of drawers and getting them up, out, and accessible. And now I actually use the tools more because they're just out and present. Instead of using my main tools to figure everything out, now I'm utilizing more tools and jobs are easier, they're more efficient because everything is accessible, you know? It gives you a chance to be creative when your tools are out, opposed to being strict to one mindset about how to do something, you know? It opens doors, guys, trust me. So, moving right along. Parts washer, I know you guys have seen, but now she's on wheels. Just a simple dolly from Harbor Freight. Built a frame for this beautiful blaster, Harbor Freight as well. Dust collector, metering valve, and the compressor to go with it. I had to upgrade from the 6-gallon. It was just, I'm borrowing that one technically, but not anymore, because now I got the big boy, and she blasts like a champ. Got my fluids rack over here, everything from oil changes to stopping a leak in your radiators or your bottom end, your oil. So I got additives is what I was getting at, and everything else from lubricants to cleaners, whatever. No shortage of motors. These are all acquired through different things. I did a 250R, a CBR 250R swap into a Grom. I got the motor and some money for the build. This is a 108 stroker motor, 70 motor, off-brand 50 motor. I got a mini lathe. I think you guys have seen the mini lathe, but I got this mini lathe, that drill press, and the cutter under there. My buddy gave me that as an investment into my shop slash business. So I'm very thankful for that. KTM is still running strong. We are waiting on another clutch. I had something odd happen. Guys, comment down below if you've ever seen something like this. In all my years of building bikes and working on bikes, I've never seen a clutch blow up like this. I was literally out riding. I threw the front wheel up, everything was fine, and then no pressure. So obviously I'm thinking, you know, it's the master or the slave master because it's a hydraulic system. Nope, neither or. Clutch blew up into pieces. My motor ate some of it. It stuck to the magnet, which is definitely a good thing to have. A high powered magnetic drain plug. It will catch metal and save you. That metal stayed at the bottom, and these pieces right here, I was able to fish out. So, lifesaver 101. All right, moving right along. I do have a kit here for Cerakoting, and then under that is that under or above? Yeah, that's all my other electric stuff. I despise wiring and electric, so I have to be prepared for it. Other stuff for motor rebuilds and whatnot. I got into wanting my bikes to look pretty, so even though they don't look pretty right now, I got everything organized from brushes to my pads, different brushes in the back. That's pretty much empty. There's a bunch of microfibers, but now there's not. They get dirty fast. Then in here, more stuff for detailing, applicators, cleaners, brushes, more brushes, not even used. I didn't even use these either. Miscellaneous sandpaper stuff, and then miscellaneous again. I do not like miscellaneous. Those two drawers are definitely gonna have to be going through today. Gas project, gas motor, ghost closing my door. Now that's just like the vacuum from the wind. But I got the gas frame painted, prepped, and all of that. Blah blah blah. This has just become storage, to be honest. I don't like it. I really don't. I want it to be more of a shop, and I it's hard. It just, some areas become storage, even up here, storage. But you know, it happens. So I got a paint booth going here right now. Nothing's being painted. This middle bike is an actual project for a friend. This is my buddy's bike. This is my bike. That was the one that was in the trade for the 125. I'm trying to keep things like to the point. I recorded like 6 times and got sidetracked in each video. So so yeah, this is where I'm at. I haven't been going to the Home Depot, so I've been pretty much working out of my garage, and I like it. I like it a lot. Definitely more freedom. I'm gonna give you guys some more updates about that later on in other videos, but yeah, we're gonna keep this specific. This was just a garage update, letting you guys see that the garage is more functional. I'm gonna be pumping out more videos. I started doing mini Monday videos. This is gonna be a Friday thing. Hopefully I can keep going. If you guys do want to see more content, I would say just check out my other social media platforms, Snapchat and Instagram mainly. Instagram is Montaigne_West. Snapchat is Montaigne.West. I do update more frequently on there because it's just easier. You know, you grab your phone, snap, bam, it goes up. So yeah, that's what the garage is looking like. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section. If you guys are new to the channel and you want to see these little machines here put to work, click that subscribe button and tag along. And I forgot what I was going to say. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I don't know what else I don't know if I missed anything. No, I don't think I did. But yeah, so on that note, as always, I'll see you in the next one.